Now, after Mahayuti's thumping victory in the state of Maharashtra, all the eyes will now be on who will become the next Chief Minister of the state. Now, the front runners for the position are Eknath Shinde and Devendra Fadnavis. Watch this report.
The Maharashtra Assembly results have delivered a fierce blow to the Maha Vikas Aghadi alliance. Despite their collective efforts, the three-party coalition of Congress, Shiv Sena UBT and Sharad Pawar's NCP suffered a humiliating defeat with a dismal strike rate, while the BJP-led NDA scored a massive landslide.
ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಕಡೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅವರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮವರು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಾಗ ಶಿವಸೇನೆದವರಿಗೆ ಆ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ನವರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಶಿವಸೇನಾ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟಿಗೆ ಅದು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಂತ ಶರದ್ ಪವಾರ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಹಂಗೆ.
The results have triggered massive infighting within the MVA, with Congress's Maharashtra in charge G. Parmeshwar openly blaming Uddhav Thackeray and Sharad Pawar for failing to support Congress candidates. Another massive war broke out between Race for Maharashtra top post heats up after Mahayuti's landslide win. BJP, emerging the single largest party with 132 seats, may be eyeing the Chief Minister post. There is a strong feeling in the BJP cadre that the party should stake claim for the Chief Minister's post. But soon after sweeping the polls on Saturday, Devendra Fadnavis, the BJP front-runner in the race, clarified that the three parties will sit together and discuss the Chief Minister post.
सीएम पद के ऊपर कोई भी विवाद यहाँ नहीं होने वाला, क्योंकि पहले दिन से ये तय है कि चुनाव जब संपन्न होगा तो चुनाव के बाद तीनों पार्टियां मिलकर इसको तय करेगी. हमारे नेता आदरणीय होम मिनिस्टर साहब ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में ये बहुत स्पष्ट शब्दों में बताया है.
However, Shiv Sena feels that incumbent Chief Minister Eknath Shinde should continue as Maharashtra Chief Minister. Sources have informed India Today that Eknath Shinde has claimed for the top job, stating that Larki Behin scheme was his brainchild. Posters backing Shinde as CM also emerged in his bastion.
And we can see the posters on the roads of Mumbai, which is suggesting towards the Eknath Shinde becoming face of Mahayuti. Now we'll have to wait and watch what happens in these meetings. So that will land in Mumbai. Remember that BJP has also said that they are going to send their observers.
Eknath Shinde, however, said that there is no decision on the Chief Minister yet, and it will be taken in consensus with all stakeholders.
हमारी तीनों पार्टियां बैठेगी. हमारे जैसे आपको बताते हैं, जैसे हमने सीटों का बंटवारा हुआ, हमें कोई मतभेद हमारे में नहीं थे, आज भी कोई मतभेद नहीं है. हम हमारे वरिष्ठ और हम लोग बैठकर उसके ऊपर निर्णय लेंगे.
Voters gave an overwhelming mandate to the BJP-led Mahayuti alliance. Now all eyes are on who will be Maharashtra ka Mukhya Mantri, Devendra Fadnavis or Eknath Shinde. Bureau Report, India Today.